Plant FAQs, Platycerium grande. Platycerium grande, unveiling the giant staghorn fern. Hi everyone, Superbum here. Today, we're diving deep into the world of a fascinating epiphytic fern, the Platycerium grande, also known as the giant staghorn fern. This majestic plant boasts an impressive size and unique appearance, making it a coveted addition to many indoor jungles. But before you rush out and snag one, let's explore some frequently asked questions about this tropical wonder. What is a Platycerium grande? The Platycerium grande is an epiphytic fern, meaning it thrives by growing on other plants or structures in rainforests. It's native to the Philippines, specifically the island of Mindanao. This fern is known for its two distinct fronds. Sterile fronds. These broad, flat fronds are shield-shaped and form a basal nest that collects moisture and debris. Fertile fronds. These long, forked fronds droop gracefully and bear spores for reproduction. The combination of these fronds creates a stunning, antler-like silhouette, earning it the nickname staghorn fern. Giant staghorn fern versus Platycerium coronarium. There are several staghorn fern varieties, but the Platycerium grande stands out for its size. It can reach a massive wingspan of several feet, making it a true giant. Here's a quick comparison with its close relative, the Platycerium coronarium. Feature Platycerium grande. Platycerium coronarium size up to several feet wide, up to 2 feet wide. Sterile frond shape broad, shield shape narrow, elongated. Fertile frond shape long, drooping, forked shorter, more upright, forked. Growth rate slower faster. Platycerium grande versus Superbum. Platycerium grande bears a striking resemblance to Platycerium superbum. However, it can be distinguished from other Platycerium species by specific characteristics. Notably, Platycerium grande is identified by having 2 spore patches on the fertile fronds, unlike P. superbum, which has only 1. Additionally, Platycerium grande lacks frills around the growth bud and boasts thin, papery sterile fronds. Platycerium grande versus Wandae. Platycerium wandae is like the grande's flamboyant cousin. It keeps the same basic structure, but everything's dialed up to 11. The shield fronds are even larger, with a wild, jagged edge that makes it look prehistoric. The fertile fronds are the real showstopper. On my grande, they're these neat, symmetrical lobes. But the wandae's fertile fronds erupt in a frenzy, forking out and creating layers that cascade down the mount. It's like a living waterfall of greenery. How to care for Platycerium grande. While captivating, the Platycerium grande requires specific care to thrive indoors. Here are some key things to remember. Light. This fern prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh direct sunlight, which can scorch the fronds. Water. Water deeply when the potting medium feels dry to the touch. Allow excess water to drain freely. Avoid overwatering, which can cause root rot. Humidity. Mimic its natural rainforest habitat by providing high humidity levels. Consider using a humidifier or placing the fern on a pebble tray filled with water. Fertilizer. A balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer applied monthly during the growing season, spring and summer, can be beneficial. Mounting. As an epiphyte, the Platycerium grande doesn't require traditional potting. Mount it on a wooden board or cork bark using a wire mesh or sphagnum moss for support. Is Platycerium grande easy to care for? The Platycerium grande requires specific care regarding light, humidity, and watering. It's not ideal for beginners, but can thrive with consistent attention. Is Platycerium grande fast-growing? No, the Platycerium grande is a slow grower. Patience is key when nurturing this majestic fern. Is Platycerium grande rare? While not as readily available as some houseplants, the Platycerium grande isn't exceptionally rare. You can find them at specialized plant stores or online retailers. Is Platycerium grande safe for pets? The Platycerium grande isn't toxic but can cause stomach upset if ingested by pets. Conclusion: embrace the majesty of the Platycerium grande. The Platycerium grande is a unique and rewarding plant for those seeking a conversation starter in their indoor haven. With proper care and attention, you can cultivate this giant beauty and enjoy its majestic presence for years to come.